Today we're going to look at overriding a module. This is made really easy in Falcon platform. So let's open up our code, and within client, source, you should find a module override.js. This file contains a list of modules to be overridden. Now this is great because it means you don't need to eject entire packages. You can just override individual files. This is included in the Falcon build config. This is a runtime build config file. You can use this to override or modify the build process. You can see that it's been included here. For the sake of this demo, I'm going to override something really simple. So we're going to look in our Deity packages in node modules, the Falcon UI kit, the source, and then we've got a list of components here. So I'm going to look in the footer and get this copyright component. Now you'll notice this is written in TypeScript. We're actually going to be writing everything in JavaScript, but this component's really simple to convert. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this file, copy it, put this in our components directory, components, footer. Now this can go anywhere we like, but I'm just going to, for organization's sake, I'm going to keep it in the footer. Paste. Now luckily, because there's nothing really TypeScript specific in this file, that should just work straight away. I'm going to make some changes to this file so we can easily see it's been overridden. We'll add an H1 because that should be nice and obvious. Right, now we need to add that to our module override file. We've already got a few overrides in the Falcon UI kit in here, so luckily we can quite easily copy and paste these. So I'm going to grab one from here, add this below. Notice that we're referencing the distribution folder here, not the source folder. Right, that's saved. Now let's go and check it out. Let's scroll to the bottom and you'll see our changes aren't there. That's because we need to restart the app completely for this to take effect. So let's go to our terminal window, cancel the process, start it again. Now bear with that 1 second, and once it's restarted, we should see our changes. Okay, let's go and check that out. And there we go. We can see that now our new component is being used. Now we won't need to restart every time we make a change. You should see that pop up fairly quickly because of hot module reloading. So one gotcha with this module overriding is the file paths within the components for the imports. So as you can see here, we're referencing the packages at Deity, Falcon UI, but often within these components, if they're pulling in another component or file from the same package, those paths are relative and you'll need to amend those for that to work. Cool, I hope that helps.